Hi, Richard. Welcome back to another edition of Ask Richard. Today, we have a great question that came in on Instagram from Idolmatic, and she asks, what do you mean by energize a new future and receive it?
Okay, that's a great question. I wrote a book called Hacking the Law of Attraction for Effortless Manifestations. And when you want, the old way that this was taught was imagine what you want, believe you have it, live as if it's true, and act as if. Well, if you think about it, that's called lying to yourself because you don't have the job, you don't have the wife, you don't have the money, you don't have the house, you don't have the bikini body or whatever it is. And lying to yourself isn't a very good strategy for convincing the universe to give you something. So I came up with a much better way. We're using basic quantum touch methods of breathing and body awareness to harness the life force energy. And through that process of moving this energy through your entire body and projecting that energy from the heart chakra into the imagined future, you're actually charging that future. And then instead of acting as if, you can feel that new future loving you. And you can relax because you're experiencing, the love of that future and feeling the joy of that future. So you're not lying to yourself. You're not pretending. You're actually experiencing waves of joy, love, gratitude, health, positivity, whatever you call it. You're feeling that new future nurturing you now. And so by learning basic quantum touch or level 2 quantum touch and learning how to project that energy, which I call energizing that new future, instead of trying to work to make it true, that's not allowing. The idea of the law of attraction is about attracting, not doing. And the way they teach law of attraction is about doing. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to live as if it's true. I'm going to act as if. That's all nonsense because you're not in the space of allowing and receiving. You're in the space of doing. And it's not the law of doing, it's the law of attracting. So that's why I call it energizing the future.
Great. Thank you, Richard. And
Sure.
this is taught in Quantum Touch Level 1, Level 2, and then also in the Manifesting Miracles workshop. And thank you to Idolmatic for your question. See you on the next edition of Ask Richard.